Hello, GoTo community. This is VIP Nobody, your tech on a fixed income PC builder, coming to you from the sunny outback bush country of Jamaica. Yeah, man. This is the final video on the HP Z230. To be able to explain some things with regards to it, I have a hallmark kind of thing that I do with some of these videos. Instead of using the optical bays for optical drives, because they're almost like nobody uses them anymore. So I put a infinity mirror or effect in the face of my computers. I started doing that with one of my first sleepers. And as you can see, this is the HP Z230. And we're going to go around the side here. And there's the infinity effect, of course. Looks a little different on camera than what it does in real life. It looks a little bit better. And here's the fan in the front. Everything's blue. My world is blue. Takes like 30 seconds for this to start. This has only a 320 gigabyte hard drive. This is tech on a fixed income from Goodwill. I picked a lot of these for 10 bucks, like 5 or 6 of them for 10 bucks, so I couldn't really argue with the price. Here's the boot sector on a SATA drive here, and the NVMe is on that PCIe adapter with the little red flashing light. Cute! Yeah, right. Anyway, let's get to the specs. To be able to get to the specs, click on the system bar, right click on it, go down to system settings. Once you're in system settings, scroll down to system info. And there you go. We've got Linux Mint 21.3. Xeon CPU, E3 1270 V3, so that's 4 cores, 8 threads, 32 gigabytes of RAM, and the 660, it says 7600 series, but no, it's a 664 gigs VRAM on that card. Of course, that's the Mac look that I enjoy. Let's see, there was something else I wanted to say about this machine. But I guess that's a wrap. Once again, this is VIP Nobody, your tech on a fixed income PC builder, coming to you from the sunny outback bush of Jamaica. Yeah, man.